Hello and welcome. It's been a long break from our lives, and the first one, I think, yes, after Delhi, right? So it's been a few days, and we're coming back with some beautiful pieces today. So what you're going to be really seeing is one of our most favorite cotton dupattas, which happen to be Ghachola cotton dupattas. Okay, so we're just going to be showcasing that one collection to you. But before we get into that, what I do really have, I mean, of course, I will show you what I'm wearing, but what I also have for you is a fabulous suit set, 12,800, one complete look for you that you can absolutely dress up. And I have myself seen so many of you dress it up so beautifully or keep it simple. So that's also a new launch coming, and we're going to make this is about 30 to 40 minutes where we're going to be showing you lots of season specific pieces that you can really wear in now, right away. So that's the whole idea. Okay, so let's get started. This is the fabric that I'm wearing. Now this is a cotton jacquard. You can see it right here, the detailing, all of that, and it's soft. It's got a nice fall. So I have like a broad A-line kurta with all of this detailing and also a bottom that goes with it, which is also kind of broad. So I've done the same on same. Now you can see that here. This is 2250 per meter. You will need a lining. You always must use lining. मैं तो ये कहूँगी, because I think that's one of the best ways to keep like the softness intact for your pieces to last longer, and I think it just gives that natural look aata hai, when you wear it. So for me, yes, absolute must that you do use lining and color match lining. Of course, when you get it from us, we do all of that. So look at that. That's the beautiful soft fabric. Now can I have the match for 5 meters plus the dupatta that I'm wearing? I'm also going to be showing you the dupatta. This is a dupatta which has been doing extremely well. So this is 2250 into 5 plus 12,800 for the dupatta that I'm wearing, and it's 24,050. Now, one way of, if you say that you want to kind of reduce the price, can we do 2.5 meter and then can we do a plain bottom instead? So that's also a good way. Now first let me just show you the combination that you can go for. अगर आप चाहें तो आप प्लेन चंदेरी कॉटन बॉटम ले सकते हैं, and in that case the price will be 20,875 for 2.5 meter. This fabulous, beautiful, dressy, lightweight chanderi cotton dupatta, which is separately 12,800. So you can do that. And if you are new on the page, and also a plain bottom, that's the price that I'm giving you. This I'm going to keep aside. And along with that, yeah, you can pull this one gently. And what I'm also going to do is give you a complete white look along with it. Like, look at that. I'm also going to do a white look. Now I'm just trying to see. It's so clean, the whole finishing, the whole look. So that's one color, the brown, which is our signature color. And then let's do जो plain मैंने आपको अभी 20,875 बताया है, उसमें आपको कैसे मिलेगा? I'm just showing you. That's your plain bottom. This is your 2.5 meter kurta, 2.5 meter bottom, okay? And then you get this fabulous dupatta, okay? Now look at that. Here it is. The other great thing is that you can customize this entire 3-piece look in any color that you desire, okay? You can go from lavender to blues to purples, whatever you have in your mind, you can get this. But I do think that it is the season to wear white, and I think it looks so good. The whole set just worn as it is. Look at that. That's an ultra lightweight dupatta with this very beautiful border. So, it's little dressy, not too heavy. It's a no tassel look. If you would like for the tassels to be done, then the price is extra. So that's your all white look. Dhai and dupatta, 20,875. If you're going to go for 5 meters of the same fabric, plus the dupatta, it's going to be, I think, 24,000 something. So, that's the whole match. Now, from that, I do have, okay, let me know what you would like to see first. Do you want to go for the 12,800 suit, or you want to go for, the gacho, the dupattas? Now, I have that choice in front of me. I can do both, and both are new launches for today. So, okay, I'm going to start with the 12,800, and then I'm going to come to the suit sets, which are fabulous as well, okay? And look at that. That's your wonderful cotton gacholas releasing after a long time, and look at the freshness of the color. Do we have each piece as a single piece? Is that all that we have? What we have? Okay. So what we have, okay, you said suits. Okay, right after this, we're going to come. Okay, somebody else has also said we're going to come back to the suits in just a bit. मेरे पास सिर्फ 5 कलर हैं इसके, so I'm going to get into it. But I think सबने सूट बोला है, so let's do the suit first and then we'll come back to this. So for anybody who's just asking, this is what you're going to be seeing later on. We have, and get ready to place your order because ये जितने हैं मेरे पास हाथ में, I just have I think 6 colors and 6 pieces, so you gotta go and get your favorite piece first. Okay, let's do the 12,801. And okay, I haven't pinned down the number on Instagram, on Facebook it's pinned down. There you go. So how are you going to be shopping? You're going to be just okay, there you have on Instagram, you on Facebook, you have both the numbers pinned down. सिर्फ आपको WhatsApp करना है, एक screenshot लाना है of the pieces that you're seeing, and then you have to place your order. Yes, suits, I hear you. So I'm going to be doing this fabulous Chanderi cotton jacquard suits, and yes, the jacquard is very much like the one that I'm wearing, but इसका जो joy है वो ये है कि ये full 3-piece suit है. And look at the fabulous color that it is. I mean, I just love the colors of this. So what are you seeing here? You are seeing here this amazing, detailed, beautiful blue dupatta. Okay, you're seeing this kurta. Okay, that's the kurta. It's got a border. It's got this. Okay, this is the kurta. Iski jo width hai, ye 36 hai. This is 2.5 meter. Then you have the same fabric also for the bottom, as you can see here. And then you have this lovely dupatta to go for it. Now, over the years, we have seen some really amazing looks in this piece. Like somebody has got an embroidery, somebody's got a patchwork, somebody has got all over work. Some of you have just kept like simple detailing with fabrics, and it looks amazing no matter how you wear it. It's just absolutely amazing. Look at the tassels, look at the finish. 12,800, and I'm going to be showing you about how many more colors. 3 more colors coming up, okay? And it is Chanderi cotton. It is fabulous for all seasons, okay? Now, the color that we're doing, and you can see the beautiful colors, and I'm going to open this kurta up also, because what I want to do is also show you how it is, okay? So that's the fabric that you're seeing, and that's the kurta. Look at that, it's amazing. Again, you will need lining. वो तो ज़रूरी है that you wear a good lining with it, and it should be color matched. Because why I keep saying color matched is because if you don't have that color matched lining, then पूरा जो रंग का मजा है वो चले जाता है. This is the kurta and the bottom, okay? And then you're gonna have this dupatta. Let's open this fabulous lightweight dupatta, okay? That's the dupatta that you're going for. It's a very beautiful red. Remember, किसी ने पूछा आपके पास XL size है, so I'm going to answer that saying that हमारे पास सारे pieces जो आप देख रहे हैं unstitched हैं. These are all just lovely, amazing colors to be wearing, okay? सभी unstitched हैं, and we are Bombay based, and cash on delivery है, हर जगह इंडिया में, so you can go for that, okay? Now from that, okay, let's do the black first. So you have seen me launch a new look in Delhi, which was a black mull cotton meenakari suit, okay? You do need black suits because whenever you're wearing a formal one and उसमें सबसे natural choice एक black color होती है, it's very good for this season. So what we have done, and look at that, it's an amazing, amazing one. And yes, you can absolutely have the black. And look at that, that's the full piece. Okay, there you go. That's the full piece right there with the bottom. I think it looks absolutely nice. So what I was saying, that जो black में हमारे पास एक option आया है, which is a 32,801, which is there, and which is in meenakari. So that's a separate look, but in case you've not seen it yet, just message us and we'll share the look for you. And now look at that. That's the ultra soft and beautiful suit set. These are your complete 3-piece suit set that you can get ढाई. And yes, and जो भी आपको book करना है, just come on WhatsApp and book. This is the last color that I have. Again, a very limited, a small, sweet, lovely one that you can go for, and it's stunning. I love each one of these colors. It's going to be tough for you to pick, but ये जो suits हैं, to wear, to gift, and to dress it up, to keep it simple. I know many of you have all the colors. It's just absolutely amazing. Look at that. That's the last color that you're going for, okay? So really electric purple, and like in a good way, not too bright, but then you don't want every, I mean, of course, I'm going to show you a lot of pastels even now, but some pop of colors, even in the season, they look really striking. And look at that. Look at the way we've done it. You get that two-tone feel. It's amazing. It's just brilliant, okay? So we have a blue, we have a red, we have a purple, which is this one, and then, of course, we have a black. All of these three-piece suit sets are ready to be shipped today. मैं वही बात बोलूँगी जो मैं हमेशा बोलती आई हूँ, which is that when you're looking, I know so many of you watch the lives, and it's just amazing that so many of you are on the page, and then you've been thinking ki, I want a suit, but I'm just like finding one. What do I do? Online karu, kaise karu, kya karu? I know you have those questions. My thoughts are that if there is one suit that you've been looking for, go for this. Try it out, okay? It's an excellent suit to just go and try one piece, okay? Okay, and start slow. Go for a piece. See what the experience is like, and then we are always here. I know many of you feel, yeah, मैं खरीदूँ तो सभी खरीदूँ, नहीं तो नहीं खरीदूँ. Don't do that, okay? Go for one piece. You will get it tomorrow. If you're in any of the major cities, तो कल ही मिल जाएगा आपको सुबह, or if not, even like in 2 days, you will be able to get it. Experience it. Cash and delivery करें. 12,800 का सूट है, 2,800 टोकन करें, and 10,000 on you can do the 10,000 balance on cash and delivery. It's as simple. So amazing suits in cotton, chanderi, jacquard, 12,800. I've already shown you the colors. From there, I'm going to go into the next bit and part, okay? All very, very exciting is this cotton guard chola dupattas, okay? The shadi season, the season for all of these, beautiful functions and just going out, it's going on, right? And when we want to kind of dress up, we want something different. We want these beautiful looks. Now, what could be better? There is Gharchola checks, there is bandhni, and there is this dupatta with tassels, all in cotton. And yes, एक जो बात है बहुत जरूरी जानना, that this is जो है मेरे पास is all that I have. So you're going to go for it really, really quick so that you don't miss your dupatta. And this is just so classy, okay? अब इसके साथ जो fabrics की बात आती है, we can do a chanderi cotton, the guff one. When we say the guff one, just you can say the one with a sheen and slightly thicker, 980 per meter. We can do that matching plain. तो वो हम कर सकते हैं. कैसा दिखता है fabric? I'll just show it to you. Do you have any other color? नहीं. Anyways, that's fine. We'll do this color. It's okay. So I'll just show you. You've seen me wearing this fabric. I think we are selling couple of sets every single day to so many of you new, and we launched it a few days back, but every day this sells, every single day. If you miss this look, then you cannot. This is a fabulous fabric which is 980 per meter. It comes with a 5,800 ka dupatta, and 5 meter of this plus that is about 10,700, and it's doing extremely well. So many of you coming for the first time given this look. So if you have not seen it, go for it. But what I was trying to tell you is that this fabric is amazing. Look at the sheen. And this fabric, if you want to kind of dye it with this dupatta, can I just get the dupatta back? It's going to be amazing. And you can also get a full look, which is this dupatta and this. Of course, wo color match hoega. So you can go for that. And if you want to kind of make it a little dressy, then our new gold is another fabric which has been doing so well. Okay. First things first, thank you everybody for seeing you in Delhi. We're now going to be, okay, it's amazing. Okay, the first day, it was so crazy that we just couldn't manage, but it was amazing to see so many of you. We could manage, but it was quite a blast, okay? So, yeah, I think second days tend to be a little slower. I always feel that. I'm now thinking that maybe next time we should drop in your city for one day. One day is like crazy, and second day is a little slower. So maybe we should do the one day. You should tell us what you think about it, okay? But fabulous Delhi, you are amazing as always. And I know बहुत सारे आप नहीं आ पाए, जो नहीं आ पाए उनके लिए हम यहाँ हैं. And in fact, we're going to be in our studio for the next few months. Okay, that was our final show for the summers. When the season starts, probably we'll do a show or two. Okay, but I don't know. I mean, I don't have anything planned, okay, for now. We're just sticking around here. Come, drop into the studio, buy these fabulous pieces right away. But the way that we've always been doing this is on WhatsApp, and I think it would be so good to have you. Now, what do I have in my hand? I have Chinya Buta Again, Chinia Buta is a fabric, 3250 per meter, dyeable in any color, soft, and it has sheen, and it's formal, and it also can be matched with a plain bottom if you want to cut down the cost on not having a same on same. And it's such a fabulous dupatta. Pehli baat, uske saath you get a matching chinia. It looks so dressy and so formal, but you're all about, what a lovely color. You're all about comfort. You can be wearing this. Oh my god, like I love Kesari, okay? Now we are doing many variations of it. Just look at how fabulous this is. Is this color going better or that one? I mean, I like the Buddha of both, so you can go. But look at this fabulous dupatta. It's just everything that you want it to be. And yes, ये जो मैंने फैब्रिक पहना हुआ है आप इसको भी मैच करा सकते हैं. If you don't want to do plain and if you don't want to do chinia, now I'm going to show you chinia. Is this what is? I'll just show you. Yeah, this looks good. This looks good. The color match one, and I think it looks really nice. Again, this is 3250 per meter, and this dupatta is 20,800, and it's ready to ship, and it's bandhani, and it's cotton, and it's got finishing, and it's got everything for this season. Look at this fabulous fabric, okay? Many of you can't have enough of it for an obvious reason because it's just amazing. It can be customized in any color that you like. Look at the sheen, okay? It's perfect. It's not too much, okay? It's not too much. It's not too less. It's just the right, okay? Right amount. And that's the whole look. Oops. That's the whole look, that if you're going to go for this, if you want, you can go for a cotton jacquard like the way I'm wearing and get it dyed. That's also possible, okay? Next up is this. Now, iske saath we've done a very unusual and very brilliant. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, we've done a very brilliant combination, which is really something different. This is crushed. Of course, iske saath aap chinia kar sakte hain, and then you can do plain cotton, and you can do cotton jacquard, and you can take the prices of all. But I just thought that this is really interesting. This is actually, okay, I'm going to keep this here for a minute, and then I'm going to go and show you this. Look at that. This is crushed. This is 2550 per meter. You can buy as much as you want because it's really good for a same on same, okay? So this is crushed, and that's the only one that I have. And then you can do something really different. You can do a matching like this with it. You know, it just looks really different. You can wear this with jacquard. You can wear it with a gold fabric in chinia. You can do a same color. There's so many things, okay? But so many things, itni things hai ki bahut aap confuse ho. One option, what I'm wearing, okay? Second option, whatever pairing I'm showing. Okay, and the third option is plain chanderi, like the way I'm showing you right now. It's got sheen, which looks great, which feels great, okay? That's the, let's show that to you. This is, so, you know, कई बार मैंने ये भी देखा है that sometimes you feel overwhelmed by the choices. There are only one color in the tissue, okay? Don't get overwhelmed. The whole idea of doing this is to keep it very crisp. Option 1, option 2, okay? And Chinia Buta is option 3, okay? That's it. You can go for the fabric that you like more, the, you know, the pricing that works for you. It's everything. Acha. There's a lot of question on, you know, ki neer pe, you know, if we are going to go, look at that, it's amazing. It's amazing, the whole look, okay? Say you have a budget of 20,000, 30,000. What is it that you will get at knee? Okay, that's a very important question. Every day you guys are asking us that, are you only doing very premium ones? Of course, we do dupattas which start from 1 lakh. We do dupattas in 60,000, 70, 80,000. Okay, yes, we do that. And suits also in the same range. So we do that. But at the same time, having said that, we do a lot of beautiful suits. आज ही हमने 12,800 का suit launch किया. We have a 10,800 का 2,500 per meter. Okay, look at that. Here all, I love this. Okay, I mean, of course, I have a weakness for this color, and when the more dustier it becomes, the more pretty it looks. I think it's so pretty. Look at that color. It's absolutely amazing. I love this. Don't miss out your chance on getting these amazing pieces. Okay, what am I going to be showing you with this is an option that is just so perfect. Gul Buta in cotton, okay? It's got everything that you've been wishing for. But let me just see how it looks. It actually looks really dressy, really feminine, really summer. Okay, this is our premium fabric, 7,800 per meter, which is I think 19,500 for 2.5 meter. That's the match of this. Okay, this is all made in Karwa. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at the colors, look at the finish. and this is something that you absolutely have to experience once to really know. कई बारी बात होती है that I know, like, maybe some of you have like about 30 suits from this over the years, okay, in this fabric, but many of you have never experienced it, and if you have not experienced it तो आपको नहीं समझ आएगा कि ये fabric क्या है. So कल ही मैंने एक video बनाया था, and I have also pinned down the look on the page, okay, of that particular fabric, which is the 6,800 per meter fabric. This is 7,800, that's 6,800. दोनों का ही concept एकदम अलग है. In fact, I have one of this to show you right away. Look at that. It's a beautiful one. Okay, not a dark pink, not a dark pink. We have a light pink, which is very beautiful, which you must try. Okay, so this fabric, okay, it's just amazing. Okay, this is 6,800 per meter. It's made in Karwa. Each than, okay, each than takes about 120 hours for us to weave. The skill required, the craft required, it's just another level of detailing and everything, skill, basically skill set. Okay, so something like this, yes, I think I was just hearing somebody talk to a client saying, oh, it's it's a little higher if it's cotton, but it's not regular cotton. It's something you have to wear to kind of feel it. अब इस वाले में one, we have the 12,800 dupatta. That's also the look that we have done. We have many colors. You can ask us. As a set with the 12,800 dupatta, it comes out to be, which I was also wearing at the beginning, it comes out to be 32,500, something like that, okay? But I just wanted to do a very interesting look with it, because I do think that this amazing colors go really well together. Look at that. What a pop of color. That's a striking purple. And then you have this. Of course, there's a red meena. Maybe you can wear some red jewelry. But I think it just adds to the thing. Yes, these two are contrasting. There's that pop of red. I think it looks damn nice. Okay. So, of course, and आप चाहेंगे कि इसका हम same color के दे दे, तो चाहे हम ये दे दें या चंदेरी दे दें या चिनिया दे दें. We can of course always do that. So yeah, fabulous pieces. And really nice option, 2 brand new launches. From that, I'm going to go on to this. So now I'm going to jump into something else completely. I know that it's been quite a time. We've done a live which is just focused on all of these beautiful pieces. So what I'm going to do is leave you with a lot of options, so that you don't feel that yaar mujhe na, I do not I'm not able to find something that I like. I'm sure you will. Now we're coming to the 26,800. And okay, the suit sets, this is again just perfect for the season, doing really well. That's the bottom, that's the kurta, that's the dupatta. Okay, tassels are extra if you want them, but they are fabulous. Okay, I think they're so amazing. Again, premium cotton. The weave is there. We have a very striking color in it, and that's this one. Oh, look at that rust. It's like a deep, that it's that Lal Mati color, which is I think so unique, to I think, yeah, our villages, and we see it there. Well, I'm from Rajasthan, so we have a very different color of sand. But yes, I have seen it in, so many times when I go to interior Maharashtra. It's amazing. This very beautiful color. Okay, I love this earthiness of this, especially how it looks with the zari. 26,800, and this is a 3 meters cut of the kurta. Look at that. Iska bottom hai, and bottom mein bhi zari hai. So I think it is so perfect for everything that you've been looking for. So the question कि अगर मेरा 30,000 का budget है, what am I going to get? You can get one premium suit. You can get one tissue dupatta. You can get 3 suits in the 12,800, 10,700. बहुत options हैं, So whenever you're seeing a page, oh, this is really nice. Again, a perfect blue. Look at that. The softness of it is just really pretty. There you go. That's the bottom, and there is this. And I'm going to do 2 more colors in this, okay? And we do have a peach, and also you can just ask us for the pictures. We'll send it to you. This is something that we're making. We're so happy with it, and that it's doing extremely well, okay? Also, so yeah, let's do that blue, and then let's do that pink. Okay, I'll just show you the other 2 colors that I have. I'm not opening them right now. Okay, थोड़ा सा I'm compelled कि अगर मेरे सामने कुछ we have an agenda, and if I don't complete it, I feel a lot of guilt, कि यार am I not making enough effort for you guys? So I never want to let it be like that. Complete pictures with the bottoms, yeah, just ask us for that. It's beautiful colors. जो मैं खोलने वाली थी वो ये कलर था, because again, you know, look at this fabulous dark colors. We have been doing a lot of you know, soft colors, and which we will in fact after, right away after this, do it again. But I know that you want to wear these cottons in all kinds of scenarios. You know, you want to do the whites, which we did today, all white look. We did the cotton jacquards, which were, and then look at it. This is so dressy. This is so comfortable at the same time that, you know, it really kind of makes you feel oomph. You feel really good about yourself, but you are at the same time so comfortable. You know, because I could not have you. You know, this one is like a plain bottom one. Is this a plain? So the plain bottom, agar aapke paas hai, that is 24,800. The ones with the border is 26,800. So remember that, okay? And that's your, look at that softness of pink. So these are all the colors from that. Now what we're going into are the other part of it. I'm going to go a little back because I just need a little space to be showing these to you, okay? So I'm going to be doing with this ultra soft. So that's why I was saying we've done the dark colors, we've done the looks which you're going to be wearing formally at night, in the evening, in the day, you can do all that. And then these are like in and out, those summer soft looks, okay? What can you be doing? You can be doing a kurta and a bottom, okay? I'm wearing a lot of the gold galas, you know, the round neck, straight button, even at home, because I think it's so fabulous. Yes, you need lining, but use our lining, which is 480 per meter and which is really soft and pre-shrunk and color matched, all of that, okay? Wear it as a gold kurta and straight pants, okay? Add a dupatta to make it like formal, like this. Can I have the match? 5 meters plus dupatta. That is 17,700, okay? And you must order this fabric. It's fabulous. It's called the premium chanderi. So we have the regular chanderi, which is guff, okay, which are sheen, which is what and it's the same price, which is what I was suggesting for all of those ghat chola dupattas, okay? That's one. This is just fabulous, okay? Do a skirt and a top. Do a kurta, as I said, gold gala and straight pants. Do an anarkali. You know, I've done so many of these different kind of anarkalis in this fabric. You know, you can just be wearing it and soft and flowy and just, okay. The other thing I've also done, okay, is that same fabric as lining. So you can do the same fabric as lining, okay? And if you like that, so this is how it will be if you use the same this. Hi, if you want to order this, all that you have to do, acha, bahut sare, you know, you're joining in for the first time, so I'm going to tell you, but look at the fabric, look at the weight, it's amazing. What you're going to do, how are you going to place your order? आप ये live देख रहे हैं या बाद में एक video बन जाता है, you're seeing the video, you're wondering what is it that I have to do. Okay, our website is out of reach because it's in revamp, so it'll be back up again soon. But as always, we are there always on you know, WhatsApp. So you see this, okay? I'm holding it up for you. You take a picture, a screenshot from another phone, and then you have the number pinned down. So then you say, okay, you send us a picture, you ask us the detail, take a picture, take a video, okay? And you know, that's the way to go about it. And then you can say, I like it, I want to go for it, you know, what am I going to do? And 1 second, okay. Okay, so then you say that I want to place your order, and then you can go for COD, or you can go for, you know, you can go for the entire payment by scanner, Razorpay link. अच्छा, बात आती है international payments की and shipments की. We ship all over the world, okay? We do ship all over the world. This fabric is 980 per meter. You can use Razorpay, which is super simple in any currency that you want, and place your order. Look at this. So anybody looking for pinks for the season, which are just absolutely perfect, I think this is just so good. You know, look at that. I think it's really wonderful. The lightness of this and the beauty of this together. So you can do a narkali. For narkali, you will need about 8 meters. Oh, what a nice color, blue. Look at this. You will need about 8 meters for top and bottom. Because isme jo beauty hai, you can build it up. Like I've done even a 10 meters, 11 meters silhouette in this, just the kurta. it looks amazing. Okay, so you can even do that. Oh, what a color! This is so beautiful. Like, you know, this is totally summer. So this is a very, very nice color which you really must be wearing all of the season. You know, wear some pearls with it. Just keep it simple, maybe a hoop. I think it's going to look amazing. Okay, from that we go to a little striking color like this, the yellow. So we have the yellows, and this dupatta is a 10,800 dupatta. So thoda sa maths kam ho jayega, I think about 15,700 or something. But look at it, it's beautiful. So you can go for this or that. In sabhi mein tassels are extra. They're not a part of the look. And what we are doing is that after such a long time, we are showing you so many pieces that you must try. Okay, so many of you say that, you know, we are specialists of silks and absolutely of dupattas and fabrics. Well, you know, that's our specialty. Okay, so dupattas, fabrics, and suit sets. So we are a specialist of that, of the most premium and beautiful weaves that you would have seen. Okay, and we are that, definitely. But what we are also trying to become, and we worked very hard the last few months so that we can give you these back-to-back beautiful collections in cottons, is we are also trying to be a part of your everyday look. Okay, and we are trying really hard in terms of making so many different looks and collections that you can have so many, each one of them. You can have more than one. You can have, start with one. So yes, for your everyday comfort, for your workwear, for, you know, anywhere in summers you want to step out, we're also working to make many collections, and I'm showcasing एक ही line में बहुत सारे ऐसे look. So 980 per meter, dupatta 12,800. Okay, for the meters, choose the meters as you wish. I have this whole roll stand ready for you to kind of get it today, and it's amazing how our numbers on the pages, they're increasing every day, all thanks to you. So many of you joining in from all over the world and many different nationalities. In fact, you know, I'm going to add that as well. So it's really such a pleasure to just see you. So yes, आज तक हम रहते आए हैं. We are specialists of the premium pieces, and today or any day, you know, today or any day, if you want to kind of get those premium Banarsis, Bandhanis, you know, you are just at the right place. All you'll have to do is WhatsApp us. Lives are more focused these days on cottons because, you know, I mean, that's the general thing. But meanwhile, in the background, we do have everything. What a light, nice green. And that's the last color. So I have the last color of this. And because, okay, look at that. It's a beautiful green. And then I have this wonderful wine color. Now, can I get this fabric back? I'll show you the essential difference between the two fabrics which are of the same price, which are both wonderful for suits, which I have both styled, in fact. And now, let's see this, okay? This is the fabric which has sheen. Can you see that sheen? It's right there. It's a little more guff. Guff matlab, it's a very Hindi word. It's a little thick, but thick, not like thick. Just iske. The density is more actually. So that's what guff means, okay? So look at that. It has that sheen and it's got that guff, and it can be worn as a very formal, nice piece, okay? This is the same price. This is our premium chanderi. You will see this transparency. You will see that it is less sheen, but the most beautiful softness and fall, okay? So that's this fabric. That's this fabric. We always have both. Both can be customized in any color that you wish, and you can pair it up with any of the many dupattas that you've seen. You have to tell us whether you want the premium chanderi, the soft one, or the guff one. Yeah, let's make that word popular. Many of you have been writing on the chat GUFF guff, and I love it. So yeah, if you want this one, the regular chanderi, that's what we call it, the one with sheen. So you can write with the sheen or you can write with softness. We'll get what you want. And both of these are customizable in any color that you want, okay? And that's the reason I was showing it to you together. You know, somebody really nice, you know, was writing yesterday to me, maybe you should do a live where you've shown us all the pieces together in cottons. So I'm going to actually say that we've done today the 980 premium chanderi, we've done the guff chanderi, okay, we've done the cotton jacquard, we've done the cotton chanderi suits, we've done our premium cotton, and we are also going to do a super popular category, which is actually a bahar. and which is so good as well. So really, अगर आप एक live देखते हैं ये, now this suit, okay, 10,550, and today easily if you have a 30,000 budget or so, you're going to be able to get 3 complete sets from us, okay? So, and you can go for one premium one, 50,000 ka hai, and then you can add 2 more. So there's so many things, like look at that, that's your full suit, 10,550, the kota silk, 2.5 meter, this meenakari, the plain bottom, all with it. This is the 10,500 one, okay? Now I'm going to show you the colors that we have, and that are so nice. They're very soft, easy to wear, and you can kind of go for it. Now look at that, here it is. Oh, 1 second. Okay, so let's go for it. That linen suits, yes, we had to do that. Okay, and look at that. Okay, well, let's go to one premium category, and I'm going to go to that. I do have a few minutes actually, so I'm going to come to that as well. But meanwhile, we're going to be doing this. Now look at that, here it is. All of this, you can go for a contrast, you can go for a same on same. This one is the white. I think it's almost over. Yeah, it's almost over. And so that's the piece that you're going to go for. This is 1800 per meter. Just go for that. Same on same. Ab main nahi bata paungi whether it's going to be possible. This has got, we've done like double shaded dupatta, which are very beautiful in themselves. This is 4,200. You can go for the plain chanderi with it. But this, I would say you do a single bold color. What happened after all that? Still linen is not here. So yeah, so linen, okay, anyways. So I'm also going to do a premium category of the linen at the very end, which is to say that we're going to be showing you all that there is to be shown. Now look at that. That's a really nice blue. I'm showing you lots of designs jo available hai, which are there. And now this is one, okay. This is also one. So pick up any 1800 per meter. They are fabulous. You can do a contrast. You can do a same on same. To me, in some colors, same on same looks better. In some colors like this one, oh, this is so beautiful. That just see this, okay? This, oh, look at that lavender. I think it looks absolutely amazing. With a plain bottom, with this, you're going to be going for the whole 3-piece set. And it's going to be amazing for the season, for any time. I think we've been selling so much of it. We've been making so much of it. We're trying to keep up with you on this. But yeah, it's absolutely amazing at all times. Now, look at that. That's your, that's, okay, we have a new color, which we will be showcasing. This is the last one from our collections, which are getting over. It's a beautiful brown. And for this, you could go for contrast to make it like really fresh. This is a leaf green, very fresh color. You could be doing that. And you could also be going for a brown dupatta, plain bottom. Do a same on same, make it a little more dressy. That's this way I've styled it in Bahar. And then this is the final new one that we've just gotten, okay? So this is this mint green. I don't want to topple up and just come into the screen, okay? But this is a beautiful, beautiful one. And this is again 1800 per meter. So yes, what you are really seeing is all of our effort for the last 6 months, where we have done so much work to give you Banarsis as Rozanas, which is basically everyday luxury, okay? Because I know that we do so many of our heavy looks, and guys, everybody, for the wedding season, because when you did come in person, I did see that so many of you were shopping for the wedding season. We have all of that even today. It's just that this live is focused on cottons, okay? But you come to us one-on-one or see our past lives, and you will see the most premium, most beautiful collection of Banarsis in the premium range as well. So we've got it all, and we're trying to cover every category that we've missed. Oh, this is amazing. Now look at that. Again, 1800 per meter, dyeable in any color that you want. But this dupatta, this chanderi dupatta, whether it's tassels, doing exceedingly well, okay? It's just lightweight, it's easy, it's dressy. And of course, you've seen me wear it in the signature brown. But I think it also does look very nice with this one. With this, if you want to go for the kota silk, that's also doable. Then of course, the price remains at 10,550. Okay, that's like a hotcakes. I will close with the linens, which are just fabulous. But okay, let's do this. Okay, and then let's go do this, and then that's the end. Now we're doing a category which is fabrics. Okay, small design, these floral motifs all over it. Like everybody's loving it with plain bottom, same on same, take your call. These are 3,800 per meter, so 9,500 for 2.5 meter, and you can double it up for 5, or you can go for a plain bottom, and then you can do this lovely tissue dupatta. This is, if you know about it, this is a Neem essential. You have to have it in your wardrobe. We make hundreds and thousands of it in a year, and I don't think we can have ever enough. Okay, this is 8,800. It's pure silk tissue. It comes with this, and it's just amazing. Okay, so can I have the mats with this, which is 3,800 per meter, a plain bottom, which is going to be, okay, I have the mats ready. That's 20,750 for this, which is dupatta, this is kurta, and the plain bottom diameter, and you will have it all in that. And let's show you the color options. But at the same time, what I'm also doing is going to be showing you, that's a nice peach color. What I'm also showing you are the lighter dupattas with it, that you could say that, you know, I don't want tissue, you know, I want to kind of wear it every day, then that's the look. It's really pretty. This dupatta, iska price kam hoega, so you can go for this as well. Let's show you the other color options, this one, and I'm going to really close with our 2 stunning linen suit sets, which is going to come. So just hang on for another 5 minutes. We've shown you everything that we wanted to, and then you can just go place your order. The orders are open always while the lives are going on. My team is always there with me, and that's a Kota silk. So very classy. Okay, you can go for the mauvish color, you can go for this goldenish color. I think it looks really cool. In any case, bottom up zarur base color mein le, that's going to add to the joy. This one, and yeah, this is amazing, because you know what they've done is that they've paired, you know, so I worked a lot on these combinations. My team works even more. Now what they've done is very interesting. They've done a tissue dupatta, and then they have done a Kota dupatta, and then they have done 8,800, 8,800 to tissue ho gaya. They have done the 5,000 Chanderi cotton one. They have done the 3,200 one in this. So you see, what we're trying to do is give you almost like an overall view of all the beautiful summer. This is crisp. All the beautiful summers that we have for you. This is Kota silk. Look at how fabulous it is. Like, do you need a reason to be wearing this to feel good, to feel great? Not really, you know. Okay, my objective always and always is to make you feel great. You guys are amazing. You look beautiful. Kuch bhi pehne aap, you know, doesn't matter. Okay, because you guys are amazing. I don't have a dupatta to go with this, but any of those dupattas, from the Kota to the Chanderis to the tissue, will look good on this. That's the last color. This is 3,800 per meter, and it's absolutely amazing. So that's what I was saying. My objective is always to make you good, feel good. You guys are great as it is. And I'm going to close with something that I've been working for a very, very long time. Okay, you've seen a couple of pieces come before, but now you can see this. This is from a premium set of linen suit sets. Okay, it's amazing with the motif, the weave, the Sona Rupa. But iski jo khasiyat hai, in fact, you know, I'm going to tell you what it is. It's the fact that we have woven plain linen fabric for the bottom, and really, as something as small as this can really be something of a great achievement for us to feel. Like, we've done a lot of linen suits, but this linen suit, okay, we had so much feedback over the years that we wanted plain linen fabric, but linen fabric would be plain. Handloom pe banana is very, very costly, but we said that we're going to be doing it, and we're going to give you this collection with the plain, with the Sona Rupa, with the Karwa, with the new border, everything in one place for you. So this is from our premium range of linen suits, and look at the beauty of the white. I don't think you can have enough of this. Okay, have it in any color. Again, over the years, so many of you have every single color, but something that I'm most proud of, that this bottom, I mean, imagine the irony, not of the suit, not of the kurta, but actually of the bottom. That's what we are very happy with, that we've been able to make this bottom with this border as a complete full 3-piece linen suit for you. Okay, and it's beautiful in white. It is a silk and linen composition. I think it's absolutely amazing. When you think, I mean, I was wearing white linen because, you know, you just got to wear it this season in every which ways. This is this is going to be your go-to premium look for this season. Okay, full 3-piece linen suit. And guys, go for it. We have put in a lot of effort to kind of make it the way that it should be. And with that, one of your favorite colors coming up, and there you go. So look at that. This is that perfect baby pink. It's not too yellow, it's not too white, it's just perfect. Wear it in the day, wear it in the evening, just about any time. And I think it's going to look amazing. Okay, that's the whole look. And in fact, we're making it it takes time to make these. I do not have any one of these to wear it myself, but I think it looks stunning, very easy to visualize. And of course we do have a previous linen look, but isme to sari khoobsurati yahi hai. All that you will need is just a nice straight long look, or you can go strappy, you can go for bold strap. I mean, there's so many ways of kind of be wearing it. That's the bottom, that's the kurta, and that's the end. That's the last piece, and I'm so happy this is finally here just in time for you to be getting this. As I said, it's slow, so just go and get it. Place your order right away if you want this particular piece, and otherwise you can, I mean, always goes on pre-order. You will go slowly for it. It'll keep getting made and then you can get it. But मजा है कभी कभी instant gratification का, especially when it's summers and you want to wear it right away. So thank you. Have a super fabulous day. And yes, we're in our studio, but most importantly, we are on our WhatsApp, जिसका number pinned है. Okay, somebody still was saying that, I can't find a number. Where do you place your order? It's there on every post. The WhatsApp number, up hi भेजें. You don't know how to do that, just call us. Okay, and we will get back to you. We will message you. So we are there with my very tech efficient team, and they'll be helping you out with everything that you need. Okay, have a great day. We'll see you in a couple of days. Lots in making in the background. So yes, this live is leaving you with so much to shop. So go for it now. Thank you.